Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So as always, we're going to begin with taking a walk around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm going to talk you through some of the major talking points and features. And of course I'll go around and take a seat inside the vehicle, where once we're there we'll go through a little bit in depth of the interior features. The vehicle we have here for you today is the 420D M Sport GRAN COUPE and is presented in the fantastic Alpine white. Alongside that, of course, we fitted one of our full YNC Mperformance body styling kit, alongside adding the 20-inch 795M Mperformance style alloy wheels, finished in the ferric grey. These are just one of a handful of new style for 2019/2020 of the Mperformance style alloy wheels, set against the already very nicely styled GRAN COUPE lines. They sit very nicely indeed. At the front of the car, you'll see it is a 2016 66 reg, and we've got the Angel Eye and Xenon headlamps, along with the gloss front splitter, matching kidney grills, and of course the gloss air breathers. Down the side of this vehicle, we've got the satin side vinyls, matching sidebars, YNC Mperformance decals, and of course the sun protection glazing pack that the vehicle also comes equipped with. Moving on, for our first glance at the interior, we've got the black Dakota leather in this vehicle that comes with both the electric lumbar and heated seat function, and we've also got the aluminum hexagon trim with estrel blue accents. Moving for our first glance at the rear seats, where you'll find the Isofix 3-seat rear bench, centre folding armrest, and of course the very nice darkened M Sport headlining, all in fantastic condition, and all once again making a very nice colour combination with of course that of the exterior colour. Again, I'm just going to show you the extremely nice finish of these brand new alloy wheels. There you can see a real nice glint to that stunning colour. Before heading round towards the rear, where we've got a high gloss rear boot spoiler and a satin black rear diffuser. And of course the GRAN COUPEs come with the automatic opening and closing tailgate, which reveals an exceedingly large boot space, and of course you can also split fold the seats should you require any further room, alongside having in this car the genuine floor mats, which will of course accompany the car. Round on the other side, again, I'll just take a second or two to appreciate how well these two colours do work, and again how exquisitely presented this 420D really is. Before I take a seat inside, and of course I'll just run through a couple of the features and functions of the car to of course hopefully help you in making your purchase upon your next car. So now I'm sat very comfortably inside. We'll run through just a few of the features as I mentioned, and of course show you a little bit of the service history, and of course I'll start the car up and just show you the dashboard display and a couple of things. So as you'll see, the vehicle has covered just over 43,000 miles. It does also have the 6-speed manual gearbox. We've got BMW's professional wide navigation and media screen, and of course currently on there is the navigation function, and we'll run through just a few features, including the wide array of multimedia inputs, which as you can see there includes the music collection, so you can store and rip different multimedia inputs to that, and it saves directly to the car, along with AUX inputs, DAB, and of course your USB inputs. Moving over to the communications menu, which is obviously where you'll pair your devices for both the Bluetooth audio and telephone. At the main menu now, where again you'll see this is the later version of the iDrive software, because everything's nicely separated into little sub-menus, making it that little bit nicer on the eye and that little bit easier to navigate. And if we scroll over to My Vehicle, we can check out the vehicle service status and service requirements. Everything being in the green, highlighting the fact that everything is all okay with this car. And of course if I go down into engine oil, you will of course be able to see the next service date is 12,000 miles, which is plenty of service life left. And up into service history, we can see that this vehicle comes with full BMW service history. That is thanks to the BMW long life service intervals of every 20,000 miles or 2 years. And of course there is the dual climate control, switches for the heated seats. We've also got cruise, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all situated very nicely on the multifunction M Sport steering wheel. So with all of our walk around videos, I do hope you've enjoyed it and found it useful. If you do have any questions or comments, please do feel free to drop them down below, where as always I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You will of course also find all of the relevant contact information, website links in the description, where you can check this vehicle out on our website to find funding options, prices, and of course a direct contact for us here at Your Next Car should you want to either reserve the car or of course book a viewing slot here at Your Next Car. Again, thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Most of all though, we really do hope to see yourselves very soon. Thank you, take care, and goodbye.